In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to launch Windows in a clean boot state on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial about how to actually clean boot your computer for diagnosing purposes. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in msconfig. Best match should go back with system configuration. You want to right click on that. And then left click on Run as Administrator. Now you want to left click on the Services tab, and you want to check mark inside the box where it says Hide All Microsoft Services. Now that you've done that, you want to go ahead and left click on Disable All. So this is going to disable all non-Microsoft services here. You want to go ahead and then left click on Apply and OK. So then if you restart your computer, it should reboot in a clean boot state. So I'm going to click out of here, even though you guys should click on Restart. Now once you're done and you want to go back to the normal state, you want to open back up the system configuration window again, so type in msconfig. This is assuming you've already done everything and you just want to turn everything back on once you're done diagnosing what the issues are. So again, just type in msconfig. Best match should say system configuration. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. So this time underneath General, you want to go left click on Normal Startup. Now you want to just select Normal Startup, load all device drivers and services, and then you just would left click on Apply and OK. If you go back to the Services tab here and you hide all Microsoft services, you'll see everything's turned back on. So this is just a shortcut of how to turn them back on here. So again, underneath Startup Selection, make sure Normal Startup is selected. Should be the default landing page once you open back up msconfig. And left click on Apply and OK to save a change. Again, you will have to restart your computer for it to take effect, but once you restart your computer anyway, then it shouldn't make that big of a deal. So then I'd recommend you restart your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.